filed a complaint dated 13/11/2015 addressed to the Bar Council of Maharashtra Goa against Advocate Shrikant Naik, practicing in Ponda, alleging that therein that he along with his other clients claiming to be partners of House of Lotlikers, that is partnership firm operating on a petrol pump in Ponda, induced me to enter into a transaction to buy the said property in which the said property was situated, despite knowing the fact they had no rights to the title to sell the said property, and also the fact that they were injuncted from creating third-party rights by the trial court, in which proceeding he had represented them in his professional capacity, thereby creating complaint of an amount of 1,15 lakh rupees paid towards the payment of consideration amount for purchase of said property. Thereby he surpassed an amount of 90 lakhs paid to him as the part payment of consideration amount by way of cash as per his instructions, so that the conveyance deed could be executed. The said complaint filed before Bar Council of Maharashtra was later transferred to the Bar Council of India in the year 2018 due to non-disposal of the said complaint by the Bar Council of Maharashtra Goa within a year is mandated by the Advocates Act. Even after lapse of 10 years or 1 decade, no final order has been passed by the Bar Council of India. In 2022, the Honorable High Court of Bombay of Goa in a petition filed by me seeking writ mandamus had directed that the said complaint be disposed of as expeditiously as possible. Despite with the Bar Council of India did not dispose of the said complaint. The evidence in the said complaint was concluded in 28/9/2022 and the matter was fixed for final orders on 9/10/2000, but no such order was passed. Being aggrieved on complaint, repeated follow-ups through calls and personal visit to Bar Council of India, Delhi, even to the chairman as well as secretary, the matter was once again listed in 11/9/2025 for the hearing, on which date they once again fixed the matter final judgment without giving a specific date. It is pertinent to note that the Honorable Supreme Court of India had also issued general direction to dispose of such old cases in a time-bound manner, yet no action has been taken in this case. Being aggrieved by the ordinate delay, I have approached the Honorable High Court of Bombay at Goa once again, which was listed in 18 December 2025, and the Honorable Court was pleased to issue notice and posted the matter for appearance of respondent on 12 January 2026. On 12 January 2026, the lawyer of the BCI was instructed to seek instructions and make statement regards to the status of the complaint, and the matter was fixed for the hearing on 17th March 2026. On 17th March 2026, the lawyer appearing for Bar Council of India on instructed has sought for a period of 3 months to pass the appropriate order. However, the Honorable High Court was pleased to grant only 2 months to dispose of the complaint by 17 May 2026, and the further was pleased to fix the matter for compliance in 10 June 2026. Here, see, this advocate had cheated me, and I was fighting in a Bar Council of Maharashtra in person, and no lawyer was ready to fight against that lawyer. You mean that lawyer? I don't know how influential he is, but associations at least should have taken that this advocate has cheated his client. Because of him, other advocates' names get spoiled. And in 2020, Miss Gautami Kamath also fought for me in the High Court, and I appreciate such lawyers should come and whatever injustice. And here, in 2025, now Vishal Sawant has fought me in this High Court, and he has given a good favor. And when he's gone through all such videos, when he has seen, he knows what actually has happened to me. This is and I want the Bar Council of India to pass the order as early as possible. Even if I win or lose, still I will have to go to Supreme Court. That is, I have decided when I had filed my complaint in 2015 itself only. Thank you. Good.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.